Good morning. Today is Sunday Fun Day, March 25th, 2018, and this is your wake up call with CJ Halleck. It's time to get up. All right, so the thought of the day today is a quote by Dr. Wayne W. Dyer, I think is how you say it. And it is, don't underestimate your power to change yourself, and don't overestimate your power to change others. It's one of those things in life, a lot of people don't process it from the first glance. It's something that you have to put work in to fully understand it. But when you do fully understand the power that you have to change yourself, you'll find that, a lot of times people focus more on others and trying to change others instead of changing themselves. When if you focus the power that you have to actually change yourself, you'll find in changing yourself, you'll change others. So focus moving forward in the coming up week on finding one small task per day to find something within a task that will help you grow and change yourself to be a better self. I guess would be the better word for, the best way to say it. But that being said, not going to bore you guys too long. It's Sunday. Take a day off. Remember, every once in a while, it's nice to take a day off and not work. Get your thoughts together. Relax. Get some R&R so you can get ready to crush it starting tomorrow morning. But that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Of course, if you guys are watching this on Facebook or YouTube, please be sure to comment, share. If you're on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my Facebook page, follow me across social media. It's at CJ Halleck. And of course, be sure to have yourself an amazing day. That being said, this has been your wake up call with CJ Halleck. I'm CJ Halleck with CJHalleck.com. Hope you heard CJ Halleck enough. Be great. Stay boosted. Have yourself an amazing day, and we'll see you at the top. Take care.